When you wake up in the morning, start your day with warm water. Either you can add any high fiber seeds like methi, chia, sabza to your pani. My name is Alifia. I'm a clinical nutritionist and dietitian. I have my clinic यहाँ Mumbai में, but I also have global clients and patients through my online diet clinic, which is known as Nutrial. और मैं different platforms पे health और diet related बातें करती हूँ, and I teach nutrition and yeah.
एक सवाल जो हमेशा आता है कि अभी ये जो पेंडेमिक चल रहा है, हर कोई बहुत परेशान है, तो व्हाट शुड बी द आइडियल डाइट? एक डाइट कैसा होना चाहिए इस पेंडेमिक में?
Right. So one size does not fit all. But if I can outline a diet एक average person के लिए जो बहुत obese भी नहीं है और बहुत underweight भी नहीं है, because हर diet बहुत different होती है. So I'll just say for this pandemic में now the thing is हमारा movement थोड़ा कम है. We mostly are going to work across the screen or we are going to work at home. Work from home or work at home. There are these two scenes majorly right now.
Right.
So a rough diet, let's just quickly go through that. When you wake up in the morning, start your day with warm water. Either you can add any high fiber seeds like methi, chia, sabza to your pani. या फिर you can start your day with a dry fruit or a fruit. Okay, so it can be 5 black raisins हो गया, 5 overnight soaked बादाम हो गए, या फिर 1 small banana. Next is your breakfast. Breakfast can be anything that is protein and carbohydrate rich. So it can be an egg with a roti, it can be poha with vegetables, idli sambar, rava idlis with homemade coconut chutney, और उसके साथ वापस एक fruit. Okay, because like we saw, different fruits have different vitamins and each vitamin has a role to play in immunity. So more the variety of the fruits, even better. Then you can have something if you're hungry between work hours, something by 11 a.m. because आप काम कर रहे होंगे and you would want to open a packet and grab something just as a break. Sometimes the food is out of boredom.
Right.
So because आप काम कर रहे हो, आपका मन होता है मैं कुछ खाऊं. So instead of opening a packet of biscuits, keep some chana या kurmura nearby. You can just take a handful and munch on that. Or again, a fruit is a great idea. फिर lunch होगा. Lunch में your Indian food is completely okay. It's great. So you can have a khichdi, curry and salad. Or you can have some sabzi, roti, salad and with a glass of chas. Evening mein again you will need something to snack, so maybe a tea if you're a tea person, or a coffee if you're a coffee person, or just a nice herbal tea. That can be green tea या फिर cinnamon tea या फिर lemongrass tea or ginger tea, whatever we spoke about. And snacking option can be a makhana bhel घर पे बनाया हुआ, या फिर boiled sprouts, मूंग मटकी, या फिर boiled rajma with vegetables, chopped vegetables. So that can be your snack. And then dinner, try taking an early dinner because anyways पूरे दिन में activity कम है और रात को तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगी. We are going to really want to watch something because we have time, because we have the subscription ready. So it's a good idea to finish your dinner by say 7 p.m. or maximum 8 p.m. And dinner can again be like lunch, but you can have an animal protein रात को if you're a non-vegetarian. So try having fish or chicken or maybe eggs bhurji with lots of vegetables on the side. So half of your plate should be of vegetables and other half can be divided into your chapati rice with a protein source. And ending the day again with warm water because we saw warm water does help. So a glass of warm water again with any fiber supplement if you're taking, or just a pinch of turmeric. And
बहुत easy way में आपने उसको explain किया. I'm very much sure कि जो लोग हमें सुन और देख रहे होंगे उनको काफी फायदा मिला होगा. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस। आज के लिए इतना ही, और अगर और ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, कुछ लोगों के सवाल हम तक आएंगे, तो विल डेफिनेटली कंटिन्यू दिस थिंग, और आगे भी उनके सवाल अपने नेक्स्ट लेकर आऊँगा। सो आई विल ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट पीपल कि वो अपने जो सवाल है वो हमें कमेंट करेंगे,